Welcome to another unboxing video. Well, it's already unboxed, but I'm checking out this product here. This is a nice Feybaul Luggage Suitcase. This is a polycarbonate ABS, which is pretty durable, lightweight, strong, scratch resistant, kind of a resin. So this features TSA lock here, right here on the side. So we can set our little combination here too, and just pop that out. Nice handle here. This is also expandable, so it has this zipper on this side. So if we want to make our expand our luggage a little bit, give us a little bit more room there, then we can simply just unzip this, and that's going to give you, wow, like a couple more inches there of just expansion on that. So that's pretty cool. All right, so this has little rubber pads here, so you can see if you're holding it by the handle here. This is actually quite lightweight, maybe weighs like 3-5 pounds, something like that. It's not very heavy at all. Nice handle here. Let's open it up here. It does have a couple wheels. We have the handle here on top as well, so those are nice and comfortable, like a rubberish material. And we have, of course, the expandable handle here. Okay, that pops out so you can pull your luggage along nicely and locks back into place. So we could just open this up now. Just unzip here and unzip this other side. Plenty of room here. This is a really good size luggage here, as you can see. Has this nice inner coating here. This portion here has a nice strap, locks into place easily, and looks like it is adjustable too. So if you need to pull it down, there you go, tighten your stuff in there so your clothes don't all fall out. That's really cool. This portion here also, this can just zip around. You put your clothes in here and zip this up, and that's going to keep all your clothes from falling out, so that's really handy. Also features a couple of pockets here, so a nice big one here, and here's another one with some mesh here. You can put your cosmetics and things like that, toiletries. That's super handy, and nice pockets there. We also have our wheels, so we're going to put those in here real quick. Okay, so this features 4 of these caster wheels, and these are just going to push into the bottom here. Should be no problem. This has a little button here, so we can push those in. Push the little button in, and that allows you to put the wheel in. So there's, see if I can get a view of this for you guys. So there's this little white button here, and that's going to lock your wheel into place. So just push this wheel in there, push the button, and then push the wheel in, and that should lock it in there. Actually, we might not need to push the button. We might just be able to push it in there. Let's see. Nope, I think I have to push the button. Okay. Worth a shot. So these seem really sturdy. The wheels are like kind of a rubberish material here. But as you can see, plenty of room here, whether you're going camping or on the plane or whatever. And let's see how well this rolls around now. So I like that you can, this is expandable, and this material is quite durable. It also has some heat resistant properties as well. This PC+ABS polycarbonate is pretty nice here. So we'll get our little thing there. I like that it has a locking mechanism there as well with our little combination that we can set, and also has a little keyhole right there for the TSA guys, so they don't have to cut your lock off when they're inspecting your thing. So that's really cool as well, and has ability to set your little combination there. Okay. Nice looking piece of luggage actually here. Rolls around nicely, and that handle pops up ready to go. So yeah, pretty impressed with this, my friends. Like I said, super lightweight, easy to pull around, easy to carry, expandable, holds a lot of things. The lock, everything's really nicely made, super durable. I can't even like scratch this with my fingernails. This stuff's pretty strong material here. So anyways, thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day, and I will see you all next time.